Okay, here we are. We're at Villa Feliciana. This is my new friend, Amaran.
Amer.
Amar.
Philamer. I am Philam.
Philam.
Philippine American.
Yeah, Amar.
That's the name that he gave my mother to me.
So, Amar, what is your age, Amar?
39.
39. And where are you from in the Philippines? Tagasan.
Cavite. Alolo, Dindang, Cavite.
Alulud.
Purok 5. This place is Purok 4.
Okay.
And the another one is Purok 5.
Cinco.
The next is Purok 5.
Cinco is 5.
Yes,
And
5.
Cuatro is 4. Where
Yes.
do we live, baby? Barak.
You live. Eh?
Yeah. So we lived there for.
Next to my Purok.
Yeah, maybe I think 1 year we lived there in Alulud. Yeah. And then that's when the COVID hit. Yeah. And I couldn't even get out of the house. How were you doing during the COVID?
Relaxing myself. Go to the jungle and refreshing my body.
Very good. So, Emmer, do you have any family?
Yes, but I have no daughter and son because I'm single. And I have my mother and my brother and my sister. And we are happy together. But there's a problem because my father have cancer. He's a cancer patient, stage 4 cancer patient. He diagnosed cancer 4 in year of 2019.
Just before COVID.
Yes, and that is there have a COVID na.
Did he get COVID too?
No, because my body is strong.
Yeah. So I think it helps if you have a good immune system and a
Yes.
strong body. So, Emmer, one of the things I wanted to ask you is what foods do you eat?
I eat healthy food. I eat so many vegetables, fruits, and my favorite is chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, that because of protein that I'm benefits my body to.
Yeah, that's okay. You can say it in Tagalog and we can translate for you.
Yes,
So if you want to, if you feel more comfortable to speak in Tagalog, Jeanette will translate, and we can edit on your video because you're
Yes.
going to be putting this up on your video. So I think most of your friends speak Tagalog. Yeah.
yes.
No. Do they understand English?
So many of my viewers I can understand English.
Oh, so you have a lot of English viewers.
Some many is Tagalog. Some many is Tagalog.
A lot of Tagalog. And how
Yes.
many English?
I don't know.
Not sure.
Not sure.
But you have 1,200?
Plus subscriber.
1,200 plus subscribers. How long have you been vlogging? How many years?
I think 2017. Pero but my video is ano eh. When I see my video oldest, I see 3 years. 3 years the date that
So
I vlogged the video.
you started
My oldest video.
you started vlogging it 3 years ago.
Yes.
And when did you become? Now you're monetized, yeah.
Yes, I'm monetized.
And how many watch hours do you have? You know.
I complete the watch hour. 4,000 watch hour.
Yeah.
I complete that.
And you know you have to keep your watch hours up every month.
Yes.
To get paid, you got to keep your watch
But
hours.
my channel is na ano yung hindi masyado malaki yung kinikita ko sa channel ko.
What does he say? You didn't earn too much, but how much do you earn? What is the most you've ever earned on your YouTube?
Lucky na kung maka 3 piso a day sa isang video.
Sometimes in a day, you get that pesos. But
Yeah.
your salary is monthly.
Yes, the minimum payment is $100. And my overall income in YouTube is $46
Okay.
something. And ongoing in the month of what is month ngayon? May.
I see. So you've made $46 this month, or last month you made $46?
My overall income in my YouTube,
Yeah. What's your overall income
46. 46.
in 1 month?
To convert in dollars is 2,000 plus, I think. In peso, to convert in peso,
Do they-
the dollars.
How do you get paid? Do they pay you through?
I'm not paid. I'm not paid
Oh,
because there's a minimum withdrawal payment in YouTube.
Ah, okay.
You need to reach $100.
I see. And once you reach $100, then they,
So far, because my overall payment is 46
uh, and that's over how many months?
years. Hindi, I'm monetized 1 year na.
Yeah.
Because my YouTube channel is monetized in the month of April.
Okay.
And nag 1 year na siya nitong April.
What does that mean, baby?
He's been monetized since last year, and this April, last April.
1 year.
You
So,
need to continue your video and vlog.
so would you be interested in making more money? Of course, yeah.
Of course, pero agito.
Say it into that.
Masaya, I'm happy, masaya na ako na kahit di kumita yung channel ko. Kasi nalilibang, natutuwa ako sa ginagawa ko. Kahit na wala man akong kitain doon, bonus na lang yung kung kumita man ako.
He's happy what he's doing, and if he earns, it's like a bonus.
Yeah, that's a
So
good way to
that is
think of it. I think that's a good way to think of it.
Yeah. So you are happy. You should.
Amber, how many videos do you put up every week?
Every week.
Yeah.
Pero ito nga lang, nahihirapan ako. Agito. Depende. Basta kailan ko maisipan, upload lang ako ng upload. Ang problema sa akin, hindi ako nag-edit.
He's not consistent and he's not editing.
Ah, okay.
it's
So
up to
no
him
editing.
every time he wants.
I need editor. Kailangan ko ng nag-edit.
Yeah, so we can kind of help you with that. Right? And we can help you develop more consistency. So the first thing is you want to have a standard. So what is your content?
Basketball po.
Basketball. Have you ever?
And kung ano po maisipan ko, minsan, nangingilog kami.
Exploring, like a river.
Ah, okay. You enjoy exploring?
Ano kasi yan eh, yung YouTube, ginawa ko lang yung memory card eh. Kasi pag sa phone, napupull storage. Pag sa YouTube, i-upload mo na ng upload, delete mo na sa phone mo.
That's what he did.
What's that?
He put like a memory. He just,
Oh, it's making a memory, like it's a journaling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like journaling.
Yeah, so that's fun.
And then he will delete it in the phone.
Because I found that people enjoy watching that journey. Yeah. So what is your goal, Emma? What is your
May goal is ano, may big goal eh, imposible eh. Gusto ko kasi, gayahin ko yung NBA. Yan sa Indang. Ang Indang kasi, may 36 team. Di ba ang NBA may 30 team? Ngayon, gusto ko, kada barangay, pag may liga, may bus na yung susundo para kumuha ng mga fans. Kasi yung mga fans, tinatamad bumiyahe. Kasi ano, yung walang pamasahe. Ngayon, yun ang bala ko, yung gumanda yung liga dyan sa Indang. Kasi minsan, may mga entry fee, tapos wala naman masyadong prices. Kumbaga, dangal lang ng barangay.
That's his goal. To have like a service for those fans who's watching basketball.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So they have a free because sometimes the viewers or the fans who want to watch it
Yeah.
is just kind of lazy to travel.
Well, not lazy to tell. Sometimes they don't have the money or the
Yeah,
time.
no money, no or
So it's a service to your fans.
Yes.
And
that is an basketball.
so basketball is kind of it's seasonal, yeah. So when is the season for basketball?
Summer. Depende. Minsan ano. Basta may paligid dyan sa Indang. Ganun. Maisipan lang nila. Hindi nawawalan ngayon ng liga dyan sa Indang.
Are they playing basketball all year round?
Yes.
So you can always film.
Continuously.
Yeah. So you can always be filming basketball. Yeah? So would it be possible, Amber, for you to put up one video every week?
More than. Mas madami pa.
Every week.
Sa isang araw, minsan, 3, 4 video. Basta kung ilang video ko yun, ina-upload ko yun sa YouTube nang walang edit-edit.
I think most important now is to just keep consistency.
Yes.
And be consistent because you already have a subscriber.
Yeah.
Yun nga, sinabi rin ng YouTube eh. Dapat na
So what we've done is, have you subscribed to Amber's channel?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we'll do, Amber, is we'll watch every week to see how many videos you're uploading. I would say a minimum of one a week. So that's your new goal, yeah? Upload one video a week. Now, it doesn't have to be the basketball. It can be your exploring, yeah? I think there would be more people interested in seeing the Philippines.
Mm.
And
Because the Philippines is a beautiful country.
it is, and there's a lot to see that people don't know about, you know, and especially the expats in the Americas. So, you know, the foreigners who speak English, they want to know about this country, and they want to know what's good and what's not so good. You know? And they also want to see the things that most people don't see. You know? So if you like exploring the lakes and rivers and mountains and jungles,
In the Philippines.
yeah, and the animal life and different kinds of plants, maybe do that and focus and connect with other people, yeah?
Yes.
But the most important thing right now is film what you enjoy doing and get it up at least once a week. So we can do some more of these videos in the future. And we will base it on how consistent you are. Because Jen and I, we put up 2 videos every week. We put up a video, and we don't care about our content.
Mm.
We're just putting up, we put up a video every Monday and every Thursday, right, babe?
Yes.
Yeah. And so
But
we'll,
mostly every
yeah. And what Jen is, she's a yoga coach and a Zumba coach and a meditation coach. So we teach meditation. I teach the secular philosophies of Buddhism, Taoism. It helps you to calm your mind and to focus.
you need that.
Yeah. How are you sleeping? How do you sleep at night? Do you have a good sleep?
No, every day. Problema kong pagtulog araw-araw.
You have a sleep.
Okay, so I can help you with that. So can you explain to Amber when I say something in English if he understands? Okay. So Amber, most people have trouble sleeping because they don't know how to turn off their mind.
Mm. Kung paano ipatay ang utak. Turn off. Yan nga.
So
Patigilin.
one of the things about meditation is it helps you to turn off
You
your
know
mind.
how to meditate.
Hindi.
You don't know how to meditate.
So we can do just a short 3-minute meditation here, baby, and you can guide him on that.
I'm not.
Yeah, you can be in the video. Yeah. So I want to wrap this video up with a short meditation on teaching you how to turn off your mind. So the first thing to realize, Amber, is you have your body, which is your brain, and this body. So humans have a big brain. No other animal on this planet has this big brain. You see, the cats, the dogs, the insects, the fish, they have no trouble with sleep. They're not worried about things. There's no concerns. They don't think about the future. They don't worry about the past. Only humans. So
It's only animal.
animals don't think like we do. So thinking is the problem. But another problem is feeling. All animals feel. So an animal, when it feels tired, it sleeps. Why does it sleep? Because its mind turns off. It just turns off. If you're having trouble sleeping, it's because your mind is not turned off. So the way you turn off your mind is you stop thinking. How do you stop thinking?
To sleep.
No, you don't sleep. You can stop thinking right now. You know, did you already stop thinking? Yeah, because when you're paying attention, you can't think. So if you're listening to me and paying attention, you're not thinking. So this is what guided meditation does, is it helps you to stop thinking. So if you ask yourself a question, you will try to answer that question, and you will stop thinking, other than just, what is the answer to that question? If you listen to the birds, or you listen to the sounds, you will stop thinking. Why? Because you're listening. You can't do 2 things at the same time. You can't think and listen. You can't think and observe. So if you can shut your mind off by observing or just paying attention or breathing, focusing on your breathing. So I think Jen does it through focusing on your breathing. So baby, can you come here and we'll do a few minutes of meditation?
Okay, just listen. We're going to do the simple meditation. Amarin, what's your name? Pilamer.
Amber.
Yeah. So Pilamer have a problem in sleeping. So because he always didn't shut up his brain and sometimes his mouth. So yeah. So to shut down it, you must be focused.
Must-
Kailangan focus and listen. Okay? Is that your relaxed position? Okay, just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Listen. Listen to my voice. Continue your breathing. Hinga ng malalim. Relax. Listen to your surrounding. The people talking around. The sounds. Listen. The water splashing. The music. The machine. The wheels. The wind. Just listen and focus. Take a deep breath in and exhale. The more you listen, the more you focus, the more you can hear everything. And that is one way to relax your mind. Hear the siren, the whistling of the wheel, the people talking around. Feel the wind touching your skin so gently and so calm. Feel the heat of the wind, the heat of the sun, giving us energy and lives. Yes, it is. That is the beauty of nature. Always remember that you are not your thoughts. You are not what you believe. This is who you are. Being living in the moment, so calm, so relaxed, so light, and so aware. If there's something come to your head, think about it, just okay. Don't push it out. Just let it in and let it go. And go back to your breathing. Hinga ng malalim. And listen. Listen the wind. Listen to your heartbeat. Your body's getting calmer. Focus and more aware. That is the beauty of meditation. Always remember to love yourself first, because nobody will but you. Only you can eat good food for yourself. Only you can exercise for yourself, can meditate, can study. Love yourself first. Always remember that we are all loved. We are precious, and everybody have their own unique skills. Just find your passion and start sharpening yourself. The energy come within with you, from you. Yes, love yourself, make yourself valuable, and do this every day. 5 minutes a day, mind focus, making your mind clear. And listen to the nature will make you more smarter, stronger, and healthier. Love yourself first. Take a deep breath in and exhale down. Relax your body, relax your mind. Hope you enjoy this. Keep your hands together in the prayer pose. Take a deep breath and namaste.
Namaste. So one of the things that Jen can teach you how to do, Amber, is to breathe. You know the correct way to breathe? Tell me.
How do how you breathe?
Inhale and exhale. Show them the correct way to breathe.
When you inhale, see my belly. Inhale, my belly out to my belly. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Have you see? I didn't move my shoulder. I didn't move my chest. Just my belly. Exhale.
This is very important when you're playing basketball.
Yeah. Make your resistance so long, energy, endurance, and less tiredness. That is the important. So even you do the basketball, inhale into your nose, belly out. Exhale, belly in, exhale throughout your mouth. That is the
Practice.
proper
You can
breathing.
lay on your back when you're sleeping at night. And you
Yes,
focus on
do
your
that.
breath.
Just do proper breathing.
Lay on your back. And you go.
Inhale, exhale.
Inhale.
Just focus to your breathing, and you will see, you will sleep.
Inhale.
This one, don't push it to shut down. When you push it, hey, shut up your mind. I don't want to think, I want to sleep. You cannot.
Okay.
Just focus in one
The
thing.
trick is to
Listen.
quiet the mind by focusing on your breath.
If
works.
something come to your head, just let it in and let it go.
So Amber, you've got.
Let it fly.
We'll get back together for another interview next Wednesday.
Yeah. And we will see if you got a good sleep.
Yeah. So we want to check
They
your
all
sleep,
busy.
and we want
Yeah.
to see if you.
If you're not busy, every morning we're here.
Yeah. And then the other thing we want to see is have you put up a video,
Yeah.
because you got to put up one video a week, or you're going to become insignificant.
So his video is,
People
what's
wanna see-
again? What's your,
basketball and exploring.
no, what's the name of your YouTube? Say it clearly.
Spell it so they will know, because it's going to be.
Rasmus Remacus.
Rasmus Remacus.
Yes.
Okay,
And of course, we
so
are the disciples of God.
we are the disciples of Tao. And to all of you, thank you all and namaste.
And like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and please help us.
Tell them to like and subscribe for your video.
Yeah.
Come on, Amber said, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.